drivers. There's more than 15 of them out here. Pick your favorite driver. Who's got Jeremy Watson way in the back? Maybe you got it figured out. Lights on the car corner, pace truck are off. As Cody Armato is going to bring them around with that Dick Trickle-looking car. Here we go. It's feature time. Here they come. Great flag, and we're racing. And we're off to the races. And it's going to be Armato up front. Evan Hassler on the hard inside towards the back, making a move quick. He wants to the front. Here comes David Cooter to challenge Cody Armato, but Ronnie Osborne's right there. And it's Garrett Braden figuring the inside out from the heat race. Oh, we got a battle in the middle. Sadler on the inside of Dixon. The rookie doing pretty good out there. First time ever in a car. Got to take my hat off to him. He's doing very good. As they're coming around here, it's going to be Cody Armato by a half a car. Remember, they cannot go faster than 16.400. If they do, they will get the black flag. This is a 20-lap feature. Who's going to be? Now it's our new leader, David Cooter Jr., Garrett Braden, challenge on the inside. That inside's working for these Bandits now. Garrett Braden liking what he's got. Oh, Ronnie Osborne and Cody Armato makes contact along with Steve Dixon. John Triggs goes sideways. Scott Ingram and Mikey Mahurin along with the rookie of Sadler. Holy cow, cars everywhere. That was wild. We were watching something, we had a car spin, and then mayhem. Mayhem went everywhere. What's that guy say? Mayhem like me? Yeah, that one insurance place. So the chief, Steve Dixon, pulling it in the pits. Scott Ingram on the inside, not looking too good, and Mikey Mahurin with that new car, not what we wanted to see happen for Mikey Mahurin. Sitting out there. That purple car. You know what? Let's mention a sponsor for Mikey Mahurin as he's sitting out there. Mikey Mahurin sponsored by 2M Lawn Care, EMM Photography, Ultimate Karaoke, Broadmoor Insurance Agency, and Thomason Machine. I believe as David Cooter Jr. is going to bring them around with a hard-charging Garrett Braden in that 2080s right there. Here they come. Green flag, and we're racing. And it's going to be Dave. Oh, Garrett Braden tried to go hard and almost lost it. Great driving by Garrett Braden. As this Cody Armato in third. It's Bart Brockman in fourth with the cool-looking wheel that spins around, followed by Eric Pearson. Here comes Evan Hassler. And here comes the rookie. The rookie running seventh place. So far, so good. Couple of side-by-sides. It's Brockman and Armato. Brockman trying to get away from Armato. Here comes Hassler to the inside Armato now. Eric Pearson looking to do the same. That inside's working. Garrett Braden having a little trouble. Oh, maybe the water will help Garrett. He needed a little water on the tires. Maybe. And there's the guy with the crazy-looking paint on the tire. It's Bart Brockman challenging the guy with water on his tires. What an interesting combination for second place. And there's Evan Hassler just waiting to do something here. As here comes Pearson to the inside of Armato. Dick Trickle, where are you? Armato needs your help. We're coming around here, getting close. 9 in. 11 to go. Hassler into third. And David Cooter probably just needs to watch the clock, and that's it. As he's feeling no heat, I think the car behind him might just be a teammate. So how's that going to work? Will they wreck each other out for the win? I don't think so. Halfway through, folks. And they're coming into lap traffic as the legendary Gary Jeske is going to go down a lap. He just did. So it's Cooter Jr., it's Brockman, it's Hassler, Braden, nope, maybe Pearson, I don't think the water helped the 28 of Garrett Braden. I don't think so. All right, they're coming around. 12 in, 8 to go. So far, Cooter looking good. Looks like Brockman might be closing in. Here comes Hassler. And we got a caution as the Tiger Ashley Matt spins out between turns 1 and 2. Looks like no harm, no foul, just to take a break. You know what? I bet you that just made Bart Brockman, Evan Hassler, and everybody else's day. Wait a minute. Evan Hassler running third, going into the pits. What's up with that? Wait, do a drawing for that. All right, anyways, David Cooter Jr. going to bring them around. He's going to pick up speed. Here they come. Let's see the story unfold. Here they come. Green flag, we're racing. All right. Nothing crazy on the green flag there, as everybody's kind of back to where they were, which is no problem for David Cooter. He's all good with that. So let's see what's going to happen as Mike Gassell decided to go to the inside and see if it works good on the grass. As laps are winding down. 5 to go. Oh, Garrett Braden spins out. No harm, no foul. All is good. He's on the inside. 3 to go. 2 to go this time by for David Cooter Jr. Can he hold him off and get the win? Eric Pearson moving up into third place now. White flag out for David Cooter Jr. We got a battle for third. There's the rookie. The rookie looking to make his move on Cody Armato. Here comes your winner. It's going to be David Cooter Jr., followed by Bart Brockman, Eric Pearson, Cody Armato, the rookie, the Dodge Stratus, Gassell, Todd Snow, Ashley Matz, and there goes Braden. I just don't think Garrett Braden was running so good, and he went and drove through the water. And I think the water costed him the race. All right, he's out here in the middle. Bart Brockman congratulating his teammate as he's going to get out. I know he's a very, very happy driver. Opening night to win the first feature. I bet you it's hot in there. As he's unbuckling here, got the window strap down. He's getting out. Make some noise. It's David Cooter Jr. David, congratulations. Come on over here real quick. Shake your hand. You had a fast car. With Brock, with the restart, didn't know if there'd be any drama. Nobody had nothing for you tonight. You were right on the money.
I got lucky.
He got lucky. All right, David Cooter Jr., pose for your picture. Very good run tonight. Once again, David Cooter Jr.